Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix there is a problem with this Windows installer package error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type temp. Click on OK to open up. Now you just need to go back to Windows and right click on the temp and select properties. Go to security tab and select edit option. Select add. Type here everyone. After typing it, click on check names and click on OK. And now you just need to select everyone in here and select a full control option check mark and then select apply and OK. Select yes. Select continue. Continue. Now select OK. OK to save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Now you just need to type percentage temp percentage. Click on OK to open up. Go back to local and right click on the temp folder. Select properties. Select security tab and select edit. Select add. Type here everyone. After typing it, click on check names and then click on OK. In here everyone select it and then full control check mark it over here and then select apply. Wait for it. Go back and select OK to save changes. Select OK and now you just need to close stuff here and you can open the setup without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.